Want to earn money using AI without any design skills or social media experience? Today I'm going to show you exactly how I manage social media accounts using AI, step by step. Complete beginners welcome. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get clients, automate posts, and earn $200 to $500 a month starting right now. Let's get into it. Step 1. Pick your AI tool. And step 1 might sound simple, but it's the foundation for earning real income. Here's what you need. ChatGPT for writing captions and post ideas. That's free. And a scheduling tool like Buffer, Hootsuite, or even Meta Business Suite, which is also free. That's it. You don't need fancy software. You don't need a course. You just need these two things. ChatGPT does the creative work. The scheduling tool automates the posting. Together, they let you manage multiple clients without spending hours glued to your phone every day. I'm going to show you exactly how this works in a minute, but first, you need to know who you're doing this for. Step 2. Identify your niche or client. And the right niche is where most beginners fail, so don't skip this step. You need to pick a type of business or creator that actually needs help and can afford to pay you. Here are 3 options that work. Local businesses. Coffee shops, gyms, salons, real estate agents. These businesses know they should post on Instagram and Facebook, but they never have time. Small e-commerce stores. People selling products on Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon. They need consistent content to drive traffic. And content creators or coaches. People building personal brands but struggling to stay consistent. Pick one. Just one. Don't try to serve everyone. I'll give you an example. Last week, I reached out to 3 local coffee shops in my area. I sent them a simple message on Instagram that said, "Hey, I noticed you're not posting consistently. I can help you automate your social media and save you 5 hours a week using AI. Interested?" One of them replied. That's all it takes. One yes turns into $200 a month. Now let me show you how to actually create the content. Step 3. Create AI content. And this single AI trick could save you hours every week and impress your clients instantly. Open ChatGPT. Type this exact prompt. I'm managing social media for a local coffee shop. Give me 10 Instagram captions that are friendly, engaging, and promote their morning coffee specials. Include relevant hashtags for each post. Hit enter. In about 10 seconds, ChatGPT gives you 10 ready-to-use captions with hashtags. You don't need to think. You don't need to be creative. You just copy, paste, and tweak if needed. But it gets better. You can also ask ChatGPT for post ideas. Try this. Give me 15 social media post ideas for a fitness gym targeting beginners. Make them motivational and actionable. Boom. 15 ideas in seconds. Now you have a full month of content planned in under 5 minutes. Want to go even further? Use AI image tools like Canva AI or even free stock photo sites like Unsplash or Pexels to grab visuals. Pair the AI-generated caption with a good photo, and you've got a professional post ready to go. This is how you deliver value fast. Your client thinks you spent an hour crafting the perfect post. You spent 5 minutes. That's the power of AI. Step 4. Automate posting. And automation is what turns your effort into recurring income, not doing everything manually. Here's how it works. Once you have your captions and images ready, you schedule them all at once using a free tool. I'll show you 2 options. Option 1, Meta Business Suite. This is completely free and works for Instagram and Facebook. You connect your client's account, upload the posts, write the captions, and schedule them for the entire week or month. Option 2, Buffer or Hootsuite. These have free plans that let you schedule up to 10 posts at a time. Same process. Upload, schedule, done. Here's what this looks like in real life. On Monday morning, I spend 30 minutes creating and scheduling an entire week of posts for one client. Then I don't touch it again until the following Monday. The posts go live automatically. The client is happy. I get paid. And I only worked 30 minutes that week for that client. If you have 3 clients, that's 90 minutes of work per week for $200 to $500 a month. Do you see how this scales? You're not trading hours for dollars. You're trading systems for recurring income. Step 5. Get paid. And most people overthink pricing, so here's a simple strategy that works every time. For beginners, charge $50 to $150 per client per month depending on what you're offering. Here's a pricing breakdown you can use. Basic package, $50 a month. 3 posts per week, captions and hashtags included, scheduled in advance. Standard package, $100 a month. 5 posts per week, captions, hashtags, and engagement replies to comments. Premium package, $150 a month. Daily posts, captions, hashtags, engagement, and monthly performance reports. Start with the basic package. Get 3 clients at $50 each. That's $150 a month. Once you're confident, raise your prices or upsell them to the standard or premium package. With just 3 clients at $150 each, you're making $450 a month. And remember, you're only working a few hours a week total because AI and automation are doing the heavy lifting. Now here's how you actually get clients. Send 10 direct messages a day to local businesses or creators in your niche. Use this script. Hi, I help small businesses stay consistent on social media using AI tools. I noticed you're not posting regularly. I'd love to help you automate your content and save you time. Can I send you more details? Keep it short. Keep it helpful. Most won't reply. That's normal. But out of 10 messages, you'll get 1 or 2 responses. And out of those, you'll land 1 client. Do that every day for a week and you'll have your first client. Do it for a month and you'll have 3 to 5 clients. So let's recap. Step 1, pick your AI tool. ChatGPT for captions and a free scheduling tool like Meta Business Suite or Buffer. Step 2, identify your niche. Local businesses, e-commerce stores, or content creators. Step 3, create AI content. Use ChatGPT to generate captions, post ideas, and hashtags in minutes. Step 4, automate posting. Schedule everything in advance so you're not doing manual work every day. Step 5, get paid. Charge $50 to $150 per client and scale to 3 or more clients for $200 to $500 a month. This is a real side hustle. It's not passive. You have to put in the work up front. But once your systems are in place, you're earning consistent monthly income with just a few hours of work per week. If you want me to break down AI graphic design next or show you how to scale this even further, drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video helped, subscribe to Smart Money AI for more step-by-step tutorials on making money with AI in 2026. See you in the next one. So which step are you going to start with? Are you going to reach out to your first client today, or are you setting up your AI tools first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video gave you a clear action plan, hit that like button so I know to make more tutorials like this. Subscribe to Smart Money AI because next week I'm breaking down how to use AI for graphic design and get paid for it, step by step. Hit the bell so you don't miss it. Let's build wealth with AI together. See you in the next one.